Hey gang, it's Chris from Ecoustics, and what we're doing today is a little bit different. We're doing an unboxing video of a product that is so new that it doesn't actually have a box. Okay, I lied. It has a box, but it's just a plain cardboard box. And the reason that this product does not yet have a box is because it's brand new. Literally just released about a week ago at the Capital Audiofest. It is the Chesky Audio LC1 mini monitor speaker. And I heard it at the show and really liked what I heard, so I asked them to send me a review sample, and here we are. So what we're going to do is take a look at what's inside the box, talk about a little bit about the technology, and see how they sound. I'll try not to scratch anything. Ooh. Hey, not bad. It's got foam to protect everything. That's a good sign. From here, it kind of looks like a mini subwoofer, but this is actually just one of the built-in subwoofers. There are two that are inertially balanced for the best results. Rumor has it he was originally going to call this the Whomper, but someone in speaker design convinced him out of that, because for a serious product, you need to give it a serious name, like the LC1. So there we go. This is the LC1. It has got, it's a two-way design with a woofer mid-range driver and a dome tweeter. The pattern outside the tweeter is tessellated, which allows it to diffract the sound that's coming off instead of reflecting off the cabinet. So that should improve the imaging and the dispersion. On the sides, you'll see one of the two inertially balanced subwoofers that's built into the unit. It is said to be able to go down to 40 hertz, which from something this size, I admit I do have my doubts, but maybe it can make it down. Maybe it's down a few dB at that point, but we'll give it a listen to find out. It is only 83 dB in sensitivity or efficiency, which means you will need a decently powered amplifier to power it. I wouldn't hit it with a triode tube amp. I am going to be trying it with tubes. I've got the Conrad-Johnson Premier 11, and I'll be comparing it with some of the other fine loudspeakers that are out there today for audiophiles. Hey folks, this is the Chesky LC1 mini monitor, and we're going to give them a little listen with and without room EQ. When it starts playing the music, it will be perfectly flat, no EQ. And then about 20 seconds in, I'll turn on the room EQ, get a little bit of an idea what these puppies can sound like with a little bit of EQ application.
Doors on you. I saw a picture of heaven floating on a dotted line. The gates were open for you. No one's locking the back door, the front door's wide open too. I'll be walking right in on you. Still finding a place there. I can't find you, I can't reach you, I can't find the town to teach you. I can't find you, I can't reach you, I can't find you. Memories last a lifetime. Cloud turns blue. The innocent waves on the ocean, Mother Nature's gift. Will she be a mother to you?
Okay, so that was just a taste of what the Chesky Audio LC1 mini monitors sound like flat without any equalization and with a little bit of room EQ applied from the WiiM Ultra. For the full review, check out ecoustics.com.